Cleaning shouldn't mean getting down on your knees to scrub a floor or standing on a step stool you don't quite trust anymore. Today, I'm sharing 15 cleaning hacks made specifically with that in mind. Less bending, less reaching, less strain on your back and your knees, but just as clean a home. Some of these use tools you already own. A few will save you an entire afternoon. B-roll. If this is your first time here, welcome to Senior Decluttering Diaries. Every week we share simple, realistic ways to keep your home clean and manageable at a pace that respects your time and your body. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's start with number 15. Number 15, a dishwasher detergent pod instead of vinegar soaking. Once a month, run your empty dishwasher on the hottest cycle with a dishwasher safe cleaning tablet or a cup of white vinegar on the top rack. No kneeling on the kitchen floor, no scrubbing, just close the door and press start. 14. Microwave steam trick for a dirty microwave. Fill a bowl with water, add a sliced lemon, microwave 3 minutes, and let it sit 5 more without opening the door. The steam loosens dried-on food, so you just wipe it away, standing right where you are. No scrubbing, no shoulder strain. B-roll, lemon slices in bowl of water. Number 13, a long-handled grout brush. If your bathroom grout needs attention, skip the toothbrush and the kneeling. A long-handled grout brush, the kind sold near the mop supplies, lets you scrub the tub or floor grout while standing upright. Quick note, if you've tried something like this and it made a real difference, tell us in the comments. We love hearing what's actually working in your home. Number 12, pillowcase trick for ceiling fans. If you can safely reach your ceiling fan with a step stool that has a handrail, slide an old pillowcase over each blade and pull it back off. All the dust goes into the pillowcase instead of raining onto the furniture below. If reaching overhead isn't comfortable for you, an extendable duster works just as well from the floor. B-roll, pillowcase sliding over fan blade. Number 11, an extendable duster for windows and blinds. A microfiber duster with an extendable handle reaches window tops, blinds, and ceiling corners without a ladder at all. It's one tool that replaces climbing on furniture entirely. Number 10, dryer sheets on baseboards. You can do this one seated on a small stool if bending is uncomfortable. A used dryer sheet wipes dust off baseboards in seconds and leaves an anti-static layer so dust settles back more slowly. B-roll, hand wiping baseboard with dryer sheet. Number 9, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, wiping a counter, hanging a coat, rinsing a mug, do it the moment you notice it. This one habit prevents the kind of buildup that turns into a tiring all-day cleaning project later. If this is helpful so far, this is a good moment to hit that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who could use it. Number 8, a long-handled dustpan and broom combo. Standard dustpans force you to bend all the way to the floor. A long-handled version with a clip lets you sweep and empty it without kneeling even once. Number 7, vinegar bag trick for the shower head. Fill a small plastic bag with vinegar, secure it around your shower head with a rubber band, and let it soak overnight. In the morning, the mineral buildup wipes right off with no scrubbing or reaching required beyond removing the bag. B-roll, bag tied around shower head. Number 6, a rubber glove for pet hair, done seated. If you sit on the edge of a sofa or a sturdy chair, a damp rubber glove run over the cushion gathers pet hair into clumps far better than most vacuum attachments, and there's no bending involved at all. Number 5, the one basket method. Keep one small lightweight basket by the stairs or by the door to another room. Anything that belongs elsewhere goes into the basket during the day, and you make just one trip to redistribute it in the evening, instead of several trips back and forth. Number 4, toothpaste for stainless steel appliances. A small dab of plain white toothpaste on a soft cloth removes water spots and light scratches from stainless steel. Buff gently in a circular motion at counter height and rinse. No stooping, no strong chemicals. We've got 5 more coming, but if you're new here, this is exactly the kind of practical tip made with your comfort in mind that we share every week. Subscribing means you won't miss the next one. Number 3, Wax paper for sticky drawer tracks. Rub a bit of wax paper or a used dryer sheet along drawer tracks and sliding closet doors, standing at a comfortable height. It cuts friction instantly, and sticky drawers glide again without any extra pulling or straining. The 15-minute timer. Set a timer for 15 minutes and clean just one area. Then stop, even if it's not finished. This paces the work so you're never pushing your body past what's comfortable in one sitting, and it turns cleaning from an all-day dread into a short, manageable task. Number 1. Clean top to bottom, but only what you can reach comfortably. The golden rule of cleaning is high to low, since dust falls downward. But the senior-friendly version of this rule is simple. Only clean what you can reach without a ladder or a deep bend. Use an extendable duster for the high spots and a long-handled tool for the low ones, and let those two tools do the reaching for you. And that's all 15, every one of them, designed to get your home clean without asking your back or your knees to pay the price. Tell us in the comments which hack you're trying first. We read every comment, and it genuinely helps us know what to cover next. If you enjoyed this, you'll probably love our video on the 5 decluttering mistakes that make small homes feel smaller. I'll leave that one right here for you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.